What's up, guys? So we've got Mumbai, we've got Milan, and we've got Colombo here. So we've got Manasha and Milan, who's been in lockdown for what, 2 months?
Yeah.
Kosh, no comments. You've been in lockdown for how long?
1.5, almost 2.
In Colombo, and we've been in lockdown for almost 1.5, 2 months. So three best friends across the globe, all locked down. But this lockdown is not going to keep us separated. But of course, we decided to do Quarantube with Rian. Are you excited for Quarantube with Rian?
Yes!
Okay. So we are going to ask each other questions, the most likely to challenge. Okay. The most likely to challenge. Okay. Who do you think is going to win this challenge?
Is there a winner really? It's more like...
Yes, there is a winner, and the winner gets a big, huge coffee hamper.
Wait, who's keeping...
What are you crying?
Why is he crying? I'm so confused.
Why are you crying? I'm so confused. Like, don't get emotional. We haven't started yet.
I'm crying for like because after this, I don't think we are going to be friends anymore.
He has 3 lights facing his face, so like the brightness is making him tear up.
There are 3 lights, guys, in my desk.
Why?
Like,
Do you need 3 lights?
Just
because
to
my room is dark, but I'm actually tearing.
Okay, can we get on with the game? So we are
Yeah.
going to ask each other questions which starts with who is most likely to, and we've got these cool little sheets and we have to try and pick it up. So who's going to start? Who's going to start? Who's going to start?
Honors, since
Sorry,
you're
yeah.
host.
Okay. Shall I start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, who is most likely to be a sex addict?
What?
I go for me.
What do you
Are
mean?
you allowed to choose yourself?
I'm the least...
Are we allowed to choose ourselves? No? We are, right?
Okay, who is most likely to cheat?
I mean, without a doubt. Without a doubt.
Okay,
Well,
who is most likely to become a porn star?
I don't think any of.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't have porn star tendencies. Excuse me, I think
Like little short shots, you're like almost there.
Yeah.
Like,
Sometimes you look like a porn star.
Okay, whatever. Who do you think is most likely to be super embarrassing when drunk?
Oh my god. Not seriously. And
Actually, no, I changed my.
yeah. I've had bad experiences with both of these two. I'm the best, okay? I've only thrown up-
really? Seaman Grant crawling all over the place?
Those are bad days. Bad days.
Yeah.
Okay. Who do you think is most likely to become a stripper?
Wait, you have to show your answer.
You can't choose 2. There are only 3 options. You have to choose 1.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so there's a unanimous. Guys, just for the record, I don't have stripper tendencies. My friends don't know me very well. Who is most likely to have a super embarrassing one night stand?
Well,
No doubt. No. What? Yeah.
both of us at the same time, babe. Beep.
Who is likely to be friend zoned after a terrible kiss?
Yeah.
Really?
It's like actual experience.
Hello, I don't remember this.
No. Either it doesn't have to be after a kiss, but mostly,
Okay.
it goes both ways.
Okay,
It's
I'm
because of
asking
him
my
only,
next
otherwise it wouldn't happen. It's his fault. He will just leave me.
Are we done? Are we done with my questions, or do I need to ask more?
Okay, why don't we switch to another person and then you can ask me.
Okay.
Shall I? Who is most likely to get it on with a vampire, werewolf, or mythical creature? obsessed. Okay, who is most likely to catch an STD?
Well, it's you.
What do you mean me? At least I'm hygienic.
Well, me too. I don't do it so naturally. I'm protected for 2.5 years.
Okay, much chiller questions, okay? Who is most likely to start a family sooner than expected? Really?
Yeah, just
I
put
will.
it down, Rian. Bloody family only. I'm gonna like.
I've been like having an urge for kids, I guess.
I will be the happiest.
Of course you will be.
Can we not go there? Because now he's gonna start talking about giving you away and everything. So like, let's continue with the
Okay.
questions.
Who is most likely to take drugs? I'm not even kidding.
That's a no-brainer.
I know. Who is likely to stay forever single?
Thank you guys for this vote of confidence.
Yeah, you're the one who whenever you suggest someone or try to, get you to blind date or whatever. Oh my god, I almost fell down. You keep saying my ship has sailed, my time has passed,
See?
has sailed. I know you're caught, but come on.
Okay, next question.
Okay. Okay. Who is likely to start a relationship with someone just because they have a great car?
Actually, no, sorry.
I mean, you would go with them for like a great car, but coach will stay.
I'm
with-
usually the one with the great car.
Yeah.
Okay, my last one for now. Who is most likely to drive a Lamborghini and not have enough money to pay for the gas?
That's a very random question.
I know, but let's be honest.
Okay.
Kosh, does Kosh even know what a Lamborghini is?
I'm sure it
Just go.
Kosh, Lamborghini is an Italian.
Yeah, just go
supercar.
beep, 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 beep.
It's a lovely Italian luxurious car. Very posh. Sports car. Very fast. Okay. Kosh, ask the questions.
Just because you did that, who's most likely to be a virgin when he's 50 years old?
Is that
Yeah, I'm pure and pious, huh? Let me tell you.
Mm-hmm. Who's most likely to buy a sex toy just for fun?
Coach just wants his name up, so he's always going to ask questions.
No, who's most likely to make new words?
What are new words? I don't make new words. I just use a lot of rich vocabulary. Use a lot of vocabulary, new vocabulary. Hookerism is a word.
Psychic when it's
I don't
psycho.
know.
Psychic is also a word. Okay?
Yes, psychic is you see
You're not using it the correct way.
You don't correct me, Kosh.
Who's most likely to have weird sexual fantasies?
Actually,
Me? What is wrong with you?
me?
No.
Hello, the airport one.
Who's
Hello, your college one, your nurses.
who's most likely to help a friend to bury a dead body?
Yesterday he's messaging me saying he has a crush on this woman from Money Heist who's pregnant, who's like 8 months pregnant.
I didn't say crush. I said she's really gorgeous. I said she's really amazing.
Such a crush. Like
I think everybody has a crush. She's very hot. Okay, next question.
She's like pure evil.
Yeah. Who's most likely to help a person to bury a dead body? A friend to bury a dead body. Yeah. Because Rihanna and I wouldn't even go there. Who's most likely to survive a zombie apocalypse?
Good.
That's a very random
I
question.
have a feeling that like it's this one. Because he's well prepared.
Probably. I will give up halfway through because I'm not going to make that much effort. I'll just be like, take
I'll
me.
just become pally with them.
He'll keep trying to take selfies.
Who is most likely to get married first in our group?
Let's get Priya because it's easy for her.
Not because I want to, probably because my mother forced me to. Let's be honest.
I will be very happy. Oh my God, that's a separate video that we have to do wedding planning.
It's funny.
Wedding planning. Okay, who is most likely to embarrass themselves in front of a crush?
No brainer.
No brainer. Okay. Who is most likely to get arrested for walking around naked? Here, why will I walk? When have I ever walked around naked?
No, basically like
Your
the-
shorts are like basically like your equals to like being naked.
Yeah. You
I'm
like,
so never coming to the beach with you again.
who are you going with?
Who is most likely to marry a celebrity?
Just for the fame, honey.
Just for the money.
Is most likely to spend all his or her time watching romantic movies?
And cry.
Yeah.
So lovely. Okay, I have some more questions. Last question. Who is most likely to have a sexual dream tonight?
Actually, I don't know. Both of you are like horn dogs, so.
Shut up.
I didn't have those things anymore.
Okay, say bye to everyone now, guys. Please leave us your comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, if you want us to do more videos like this together, I can't control my friends. Please do leave us your comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my next video. And Quarantube with Rian. Stay safe and stay at home.